Hare Krishna. So myself Sundar Krishna Das. I am from Delhi, and right now I'm working in Naukri.com as a senior software engineer. So I came in Krishna consciousness in 2005, and previously, before coming to Krishna consciousness, I was a sports athlete. So near my house, I used to go for playing and doing my exercise and for jogging. And while doing that, I used to go daily. And one time, what happened? One person met me there, and and he told me that, can you help me in stretching? And because I used to go daily and I want to help others, so I just went and I just tried to help him in stretching. Because tomorrow he told me that he's having a Delhi police exam. So when I was just talking with him and I just helping him in stretching the body, he just out of his movement he started telling that we have to serve Krishna, the life is only meant for bhakti, and we have to do something for Lord. And then because I have also some previous knowledge, I was just thinking what why this person is talking, so what I can do, and and because of my strong convincing power, so I just convinced him that what you are talking is nonsense, nothing that like this thing. And what happened is then we had a long argue, and after that he told me that you want to clarify something, then we have one weekly program that goes in Delhi, and that is near my house. And he told me there's a very sweet prasadam after that. And then he told me the timings and everything. And just as a small interaction with him, he told me the timings, and that was program on Monday 7 p.m. It's like that. And that was matching with my school timing also, because I was in 11th class at that time. So after after that was a Sunday that it happened, and on Monday I went to that class, and after going there, I just was awesome. The atmosphere was there, and the devotees, there were some devotees who were giving some lecture, and after the prasadam, and the aesthetic prasadam, so I liked it very much. And the most important thing that I liked there was all my doubts that was there. I have some previous notions, previous conceptions, I have some previous something about spirituality, but the devotees, they helped me to get me the right answers. They told me that you have to follow this path, you have to this, why the Krishna consciousness important, why we should chant, why we should read. They give me very, very logical, very convincing answers of my questions, and that helped me to brought my faith, that like a fragile faith in the beginning, that helped me to bring my faith in Krishna consciousness. So I came just by by mercy of Krishna, that because I was athlete, so Krishna caught me in the ground only, it's like that, and brought me to his right now is like I'm taking some services in temple and helping some devotees in bases. So it's like a very, I can say the whole my life changed, because previously I was thinking that I should go in sports, I have a full plan to go in Pune and having some big sports playground, playing for the India. But the thing is now I'm playing for the Supreme Personality of Godhead. It's like dancing and playing. So it's like Krishna's big mercy that my whole life got just transformed because of just a moment of devotee association, just a one moment association, and got from the sports field. Now I'm in the like software field, and the Krishna as like performing Krishna consciousness. And it's like a very, very aesthetic experience after coming to Krishna consciousness. And like previously I have many bad habits, I used to slangs and I used to do many not having good consciousness. But Krishna consciousness give me that what is the actual purpose of life, how one should lead his life in a very positive way, because a positive attitude is like the key to success for anything. So Krishna consciousness gave me what is actually the reality about positive attitude, and how we can apply in our lives. Because I have attended many lectures on positive attitude and all, but it's never work out because related with the mind. But Krishna consciousness gives the person a thing that he can just engage his mind in service of Krishna, and he can be do all his things in a very positive way and a very practical way. Thank you. Hare Krishna.